Welcome to Our Product Pick, where we explore the best and sometimes the worst of the tech world one review at a time. In today's video we're looking at the top 3 outdated cameras in 2025. The models that just haven't aged well, whether it's due to lacking features, slow performance, or simply being left behind by newer tech. From once popular DSLRs to early mirrorless models, these cameras were great in their time, but now, they're showing their age. Warning: whether you're thinking of buying one secondhand or still holding onto yours, this list will help you decide if it's time for an upgrade. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's take a look at the cameras that just didn't keep up in 2025. Number 3, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact powerhouse that redefines portable video shooting. Featuring a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, it delivers impressive low-light performance and crisp, cinematic footage even in challenging conditions. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures buttery smooth video, whether you're walking, running, or vlogging on the go. The new rotatable touchscreen is a welcome upgrade, making it easier than ever to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. With support for 4K per 120 frames per second, the Pocket 3 is ideal for creators who want professional quality in a pocket-sized package. What truly sets the Osmo Pocket 3 apart is its versatility. From face tracking and dynamic framing to seamless wireless control via the DJI Mimo app, it's designed with content creators in mind. The built-in microphone has also seen a major upgrade, and the optional DJI Mic 2 system adds even more pro-level audio options. Whether you're a travel vlogger, filmmaker, or just someone who wants to capture stunning everyday moments, the Osmo Pocket 3 is a reliable and powerful tool that fits in your pocket. Number 2, Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 is a true masterpiece that blends luxury with performance. Sporting a stunning 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera delivers incredibly detailed images with signature Leica color science. The fixed 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens is razor-sharp and perfect for street photography, portraits, or everyday shooting. What really stands out is its refined design. Minimalist, solid, and built like a tank. Plus, the OLED EVF and responsive touchscreen give it a modern touch without losing that classic Leica feel. On the tech side, the Q3 doesn't disappoint. It now supports 8K video recording, faster autofocus with phase detection, and improved connectivity through USB-C and wireless charging. The hybrid user interface is smooth, and Leica has done a great job keeping the menus clean and intuitive. Sure, it's pricey, but if you're someone who values craftsmanship, image quality, and the joy of shooting with a beautifully engineered tool, the Leica Q3 just might be worth every penny. Number 1, Canon EOS R3. The Canon EOS R3 is a powerhouse mirrorless camera built for professionals who demand speed, precision, and reliability. Equipped with a 24.1MP full-frame stacked CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic X processor, the R3 delivers incredibly fast readout speeds and blackout-free shooting at up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Autofocus is where this camera truly shines. It features Canon's advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with eye control AF, allowing you to select focus points just by looking through the EVF. Whether you're tracking fast-moving athletes or capturing wildlife, the R3 responds with unmatched speed and accuracy. Beyond performance, the EOS R3 boasts a rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it ideal for demanding fieldwork. The vari-angle 3.2-inch touchscreen, 6K RAW video recording, and superb low-light performance give both photographers and hybrid shooters the flexibility they need. While it's priced at a premium, the R3 is clearly aimed at professionals who want the absolute best in speed, autofocus, and ergonomics. If you're a sports, action, or news photographer, this camera is a serious game-changer. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.